Good morning children, welcome to the revision of day 2nd, class 4th maths. Take the multiple choice question. LCM of 15 and 16 is. So children, we have to find out the LCM. So here 15 and 16 is there. So first we will take 2, 2 8s are 16, 15 as it is. Now 2 4s are 8, 15 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 15 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now we are going to go for 3 5s are 15, 1 5 1s are 5. So children, here we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16, and here 5 3s are 15. So 16 into 15 is 240. Okay, so this is our answer. Now dash is equals to 4 into side. So what is 4 into side? Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square is 4 into sides. Okay children, so next, a dash is a line segment whose end point lie on the circle. So suppose this is a circle, so this is point O is called center of the circle. The straight line joining or the straight line segment joining the center of the circle to the circumference is known as radius, or radius is half of the diameter, and the straight line segment passing through this center of the circle is known as diameter. Okay, and the boundary which covers the circle, boundary of the circle is known as circumference. Okay, so point center of the circle, this is known as radius, this line segment is known as diameter, and this overall portion is known as circumference. So here it is said that a dash is a line segment whose endpoint lie on the circle. So there is another line which do not passes through the circle. This line, this is known as chord. Okay, so the line segment which do not passes through the circle and whose end point lie on the circle, जिसके end point circle पे ही रहते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं chord. Name them. Okay, so AB is the diameter, OD is radius, and CD is chord, and O is the center of the circle. So correct answer is part A. Okay children, now next, 6 hours 20 minutes is same as 6 hours 20 minutes is equal to how many? So 6 hours means we have to करना 1 hour is equals to how much minute? So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 6 hours is 6 6 are 36, and 0 means 360 minutes, and we have to 20 minutes is also there. So we have to add 20 minutes in 360 minutes, so it makes 380 minutes. Okay children, now next, the annual salary of Mr. Sharma is rupees इतना. What is his monthly salary? अब दे रखा है कि एक मिस्टर शर्मा है, उनकी एनुअल सैलरी मीन्स 12 मंथ की सैलरी इतनी है, आपको बताना है 1 मंथ की कितनी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस डिजिट को, दिस इज पॉइंट. ओके, तो 58,275 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 12 से. ओके, सो वी हैव 12, and what is the number? 58,275. So 12 4s are 48. So 0 1 is remaining. Now we will copy down 2. So now we have 12 8s are 96. Now what we have? 6 and here 9. So we will copy down 7. Okay, now we will have 12 5s are 60. Okay, so 7 remaining and copy down 5. So 12, how many is are? 12 6 are 72. So how many remaining? 5 and 2 is 3 remaining. Now we will put a point and copy down 0 over here. Now 12 2s are 24. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 2 0. Now we have already put point, so we can write 0 over here. Now 12 5s are 60. So answer is 4858.25. So our answer is part B. Now rupees 243 plus 79 plus rupees 172.85 minus rupees 199.35. So what is the answer? So children, if we solve this, that is 243.79. So 200. So we have, what is there? 243.79 plus 172.85. This we are going to add this up. Now 9 plus 5 is 14. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. So carry 1. 3 and 1 is 4. 5 is 6. 7 and 3 is 10 and 1 11. 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 4. Now we have to subtract the number 199.35. 199.35. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is not possible. So make it 14 and here become 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many? 9. Now point over here. Now 6 minus 9 is not possible. So make it 16 and here become 0. So 16 minus 9 is 7 and 10 minus 9 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer is 217.29 rupees. So this is our answer. Now next, subtract 2 by 9 minus 1 by 15. So we have to solve this. So 2 by 9 minus 1 by 15. So first we have to take the LCM of two number, 9 and 15. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So we will take 45 as the LCM and as a denominator. Then 9, how many is 45? 9 5s are 45 and 5 2s are 10. 15, how many is 15? 3s are 45 and 3 1s are 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 45. So 7 upon 45 can be break. So correct answer is 7 by 45. First 3 common multiple of 2 and 3. So children, common multiple of 2 is 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now 3, 12, and we want how many multiples? First 3 common multiples. So 3 common multiples is 1 and 2 common multiples and third common multiple. So how many common multiples we have? 6, 12, 18 and 16. So we have 3 common multiples. So beside this we have 6, 12 and 18. Okay. Sixth multiple of 9. So we have to count the table of 9 up to 6. 6 9s are 54. So answer is 54. Now 8, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6 divided by 1000. So we have to divide it orally. 1000, 1, 2. 8 is 8,000. Now remainder is 354. Now we'll copy down 2. So 3s are 3,000. Now remainder is 3526. So 1,005s are. So now the remainder is 426. So answer is question 835 and remainder 426. Now next matchup. 35 minus 20. So how much? 15. So 15 means 10 and 5 is 15. This. Now next 41 minus 25. So 41 minus 25 is 16. So for 16 we have 10, 5 and 1 is 16. Okay. Now L is 50 and X is 10. So 60 plus 10 and 1 is 11. So 60 plus 11 is 71. Okay. So for 71 we have 10, 20, we have 50, 60, 70 and 1, 71. Okay. Now next is 10. Here is 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. 1 and 1 is 2. So 42 plus 10 and 1, that is I is 11. So 42 plus 11, how much? 42 and 11. So 353. Okay. So 50 and 3i means 3. So 53 is this. Okay. Now 50 minus 15. So we have 35. So 35 is 10, 20, 30 and 5 is 35. So our correct answer is A. Now next, a number exceed itna by itna. What is the number? So a number exceed itna by itna. अब क्या बोल रहा है? एक नंबर है जो इस नंबर से इतना ज़्यादा आगे है. अब आपको बताना है वो नंबर क्या है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. So we are going to, so a number exceed itna by itna. So we are going to add this up. We are going to add this number to this number. मतलब इस नंबर से इस ये वाला नंबर कितना ज़्यादा है तो कितना नंबर होगा आपको ये बताना है. तो हम यहाँ ऐड कर देते हैं. तो ऐड करने पर 6 and 2 is 8, 9 and 2 is 11, 3 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 8, 8 and 6 is 14, carry 1, 5 and 1 is 6 and 1 7 and 1. So answer is this, part B. A bus carries 61 passengers in a trip. It makes 12 trips every day. How many passengers can it carry in 16 days? अब ये क्या बोल रहा है? बस कैरी करता है 61 पैसेंजर और एक दिन में लगाता है 12 ट्रिप. तो मतलब 12 ट्रिप्स में कितने पैसेंजर्स आ गए? 12 ट्रिप्स एक दिन में लगाता है. ओके. तो 12 इंटू 61 करते हैं पहले. सो वी हैव 12 इंटू 61. 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 1s are 6 and 1 7. So it makes, so one day में कितने पैसेंजर्स कैरी हुए? 732 पैसेंजर्स कैरी किए. अब क्या बोल रहा है? हाउ मेनी पैसेंजर्स कैन इट कैरी इन 16 डेज. ये तो वन डे में हुए. अब 16 में निकालना है तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 16 करेंगे हम. तो देखिए कितना होता है. 6 2s are 12, 2 कैरी 1, 6 3s are 18 and 1 19, 42, 2, 3 and 7. Now 2, 1 11, 2 and 1 3, 6 and 1 7, 7 8 9 10 11. So it becomes answer 11,712 passengers. So answer is 11,712 passengers. Okay. Now nearest 1000 हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है. नंबर क्या है हमारे पास? ये दो नंबर है. तो नंबर देखें 1s 10s 100 1000. यहाँ आ रहा है हमारा 1000. ओके. यहाँ पर 1s 10s 100 1000. ओके तो हमें 1000 के पहले वाला नंबर देखना है, मतलब 100 देखना है। 100 में अगर 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा हो तो हमें आगे वाले नंबर में राउंड ऑफ करना है। तो ये तो राउंड ऑफ कैसे करेंगे, 3 छोटा है 5 से तो हम पीछे वाले में राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, मतलब 98000। तो हमारा आंसर हुआ आंसर 206000 and 98000। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो नेक्स्ट टू इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, हमें अगले 2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन देने हैं। तो हम क्या करेंगे, जब भी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालना हो तो हम पहले डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर अगला फ्रैक्शन निकालने के लिए डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो जब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ऊपर नीचे तो 7 2 ज़ा 14 और 7 9 2 ज़ा 18। तो फर्स्ट हमारा इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन आ गया 14/18। सेकेंड इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालने के लिए हम पहले हमने 2 से करा था, अब हम 3 से करेंगे। तो 7 3 ज़ा 21 और 9 3 ज़ा 27। तो हमारे पास इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन 2 हो गए, 14/18 एंड 21/27। दिस इज the end of our revision day 2. We will meet in the next revision video. Till then, have a great day and study well.